welcome back to another how-to video. My name is Grace and I work as an R&D scientist. Today we're going to be talking all about pH. We will be discussing what pH is, why it is important when formulating, and how to adjust the pH in your formulations. We will also be going over the necessary tools and ingredients needed to adjust pH. When you purchase your raw ingredients, you need to ask your supplier what the pH is. You can also find this on the specification and C of A for each ingredient. You will also want to know what the effective pH range is of each ingredient, as well as any preservatives that you may use. This is basically the pH range that your ingredients need to be at in order to be effective. Once you know the pH of your ingredients and the range that it needs to fall into, you can now move on for your application type. So, for example, cleansers, right here, they have a pH range of 4.5 to 7. If you do not know the pH of your formula, this could lead to a variety of skin concerns, including skin irritation. So what exactly is pH?
So pH stands for potential of hydrogen within a solution and measures the acidity and basicity of a formula. 7 is a neutral pH, 0 is extremely acidic, and 14 is extremely basic on the pH scale. pH can also affect color of products and help with haze. pH is important because it can tell us about current conditions and what is changing chemically in our formulations.
To get started, we are first going to check the pH of our formulation. You can check the pH of your formula by using either pH strips like these or a pH probe like this one. pH can be checked throughout formulating, but is typically checked at the end of every formulation. However, pH is not checked for oil-soluble formulations. For a pH probe, this is calibrated every morning using the standard pH buffers of 4 and 7. Once you place the probe in the solution, you let it stabilize. Once stabilized, you can determine the pH. Our current pH of this lotion is 5.35. pH can be adjusted with pH adjusters. The most used pH adjusters are NaOH 50% and citric acid 50%. If we wanted to lower the pH, we would do this by using citric acid. Just like we tested the pH prior, we will do the same to see where our pH has landed. However, if we wanted to raise the pH, we would do this by using NaOH 50%. Again, we are just going to check the final pH to make sure it has landed where we want it. Remember to always write down the pH of your formula in your lab book. And there you have it. We have adjusted both formulas to lower and increase pH. Thank you for watching our how-to video on pH. If you have any questions, please reach out to our sales team. Stay tuned for our next how-to video, and as always, happy formulating.